everybody, welcome back. Did you guys miss me? I know, I missed me too. Just kidding. So today's video is going to be a little different. As you can see from my face, I'm not wearing any makeup, and I'm sure as you can tell from the title of the video, today we are going to be discussing Boxycharm. I feel like everyone knows what Boxycharm is. I've seen a million ads everywhere, but for those who don't know what Boxycharm is, it is like a monthly beauty subscription, and they send you 5 full-size beauty products in a box like this one every month. And they have different ones. Their basic standard one is $25 a month, which is the one I signed up for because it's my first time. I subscribed to a 3-month subscription, so I just paid it all for 3 months. And they have different ones that you can get, but I just wanted to try it out because I know there's a lot of hype behind Boxycharm, and I want to see what the hype is about, if it's worth it. So I subscribed a few weeks ago, and I got a couple boxes already, and I wanted to unbox them with you guys. Alright, so you open up the box, and it looks like this on the inside. That's what it looks like. And it comes with a card too, which is what I really like this. It comes with a card and it has Boxycharm on the front. And on the back, it tells you all the products that are in the box. It gives you a quick little description of the products, and then it tells you the price that it retails for. So it really lets you know like what you're getting your money's worth for. So for today, I wanted to try on some of the beauty products that came in my box, which is why I'm not wearing any makeup. Alright, so I subscribed to Boxycharm towards the end of July, so I got a box for July, and I already got my box for August. So I got my boxes pretty fast. This is my first box that I got. I got some interesting things in here. So the first thing I got is this Grace and Stella eye mask. So it comes in a pack like this, and it comes with several. So there's a lot in here. And it says it's like an energy drink for your eyes. I actually put one on before I started this video. So this is what it looks like. Comes in a gold little package like this. And you just rip it off, and you basically just put these on your eye. And this one retails for $21. So this box retails for $21, and it's actually not that bad considering how many you're getting in the box. I don't know exactly how great this eye mask was. I would say it did kind of depuff my bags a little bit because I did have a little bit of bags, so it did work a little bit. It was a little bit hard to put on, not gonna lie. They kept falling off, so maybe I wasn't doing it right. I don't know. So the next thing I got in this box was this Ciate London. I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry guys. It sounds French. I don't know. Ciate London. This is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. This is what it looks like. I've already used it a couple times. Not gonna lie. It's pretty good, and if I'm being honest, coconut is really not my favorite scent. So this retails for about $22. This retails for. The next thing I was very, very excited about because I was so confused as to what it was. So it's this quick color switch dry makeup brush cleaner by Lavish. I didn't know how to work it when I first saw it. I was like, what is this? So basically it has this kind of like foamy surface here, and I'm assuming that when you're using your makeup brushes in between looks, in between color changes, you can kind of clean your brush on this, which is kind of cool because sometimes when I am doing really crazy like colorful looks, I want to clean off my brush, but I don't want my brush to be wet. So I guess this would be really good for that. I'm going to try this a little bit later. Okay, so I was really excited when I saw this in my Boxycharm because this is a full-on eyeshadow palette from Pure Cosmetics, and this is the Festival 2.0 palette. That was not my fault. So yeah, I just opened this and the whole shit just fell out. Towel service, please. Can I get it? Okay. Bert! Fell in between my thighs. Thick thighs save lives, but it didn't save my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna say that was Boxycharm's fault and not my fault. Okay, so has a lot of pretty colors on here. I think I'll be using these later to see. This one retails for $36. Okay, so the last thing I got in this box that like I don't know why I got so excited about it because I've never even heard of this brand, but when I saw the price, I was like, sis, I cannot believe that I got this in my box. Okay, so I got this is the 111 Skin Harley Street London. This is a pollution defense booster, so it's supposed to help with pollution, I guess, for your skin. And it's just a serum like this, and it comes with like a little dropper, and you're only supposed to use a couple drops of this. So this retails for $135, dude. $135. I basically got these products for free. Like, this is crazy. I was very shocked to see that there was a item that was priced that high in my box. So my second box, this one, my second box came a few days ago. So in this box came this right here. It is the Dr. Brand Pore Purifying Cleanser, okay, with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. So I looked it up, and I don't think salicylic acid is supposed to be mixed with retinoids at all. So I used this last night. I am very loyal to my current cleanser. So I just used this one just to see how it stacked up against the cleanser that I'm currently using. I'm currently using the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel, and I love that one. I've used it for so long. It's the only cleanser I've used that really I feel like an immediate like difference in my skin after using it. So I was a little skeptical when I was, you know, going to use this one. I used it last night. I'm not like incredibly impressed by it. This retailed for $36, so it's not that bad. Not that expensive. I mean, not that cheap either, but you know. Alright, so I got the Trestique Summer Glow and Go set. This is basically has like little makeup crayons in here. So they do come in 4 different shades, obviously. So this retails for $42, which is crazy to me because they're just like little crayons and they're $42. Okay, that's fine. Next thing I got was the Kush Fiber Brow Gel by Milk Makeup. So this is a brow gel. It's supposed to basically give your eyebrows definition, fullness. It's vegan. I don't know if that matters to some people. And it retails for $20. The next thing I got was the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. So I've never used this brand before. So this retails for $24. The packaging is pretty cute, so looks like that. Kind of looks similar to my skin tone already though. So I'm assuming this is more for like a natural look. I mean, I love me a good bronzer though, so maybe I'm just like, I overdo it with the bronzer or something. Maybe this is a good like more natural option for me. Alright, so the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. This is really cute. It has like a bunch of little eyes on the side. I've never heard of this brand either. There's a lot of brands in here that I haven't heard of, but that's kind of why I subscribe to this, so I can try just a bunch of different things. And this retailed for $20, which is not bad. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this Milk Kush Brow Gel. So the color that it came in was Dutch. Oh, okay. This is good for like a natural brow. I know bushy brows are like the thing now. They were not the thing when I was in school, just saying. I would say this brow gel is probably a little on the light side for me. I kind of figured that it would be because it's like a brown, medium to dark brown, and my brows are pretty black. My hair is black, so it's not bad for like a shaper. I would say this is really good for like if you are in a rush, you don't have time to do your makeup, or you just want to go for a more natural look but you want to put some control in your brows. I would say this is a good product for that. I do think I'm gonna go over my brows a little bit though with my pomade. Alright, so I'm gonna use the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. Okay, so it definitely feels very like smooth and not drying like at all, because a lot of primers, even the MAC paint pot, can be a little bit drying. This one does not feel drying at all. So I'm gonna use this palette just to create something really fast to see how I like the colors. Please, no other colors fall out on me. So I think I'm gonna go in with Dreamland. It's this color. It's like a peachy kind of color. It's very pinky. It's a lot of fallout. All right, so I'm literally coming up with this look as I go, so don't judge me. So I'm gonna use the same brush just to see if this works. Okay, so you probably can't see it on camera, but you can definitely see some shadow on here. So I'm gonna go in with that Insta-worthy color that I showed you guys earlier. Place it on the outer corner and just start blending it out. I'm gonna go in with Photo Op. There is a lot of fallout on here. Okay, these colors definitely have like a more soft vibe to them, not too intense. You know what I mean? I'm not mad at it, although it is a little annoying how there's literally so much powder coming off. And maybe people like that, I don't know. To me, I don't like to make too much of a mess when I'm already messy. I'm already a messy ass. So I don't need any help with that. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Onset, not Offset, but Onset here, and it's just like the deepest brown that they have on this palette. Just gonna keep it here. Okay, so I want to use some of these shimmers here. So I'm gonna wet it with this coconut setting spray. I think I'm gonna go in and use this color. It's called Euphoric. This is really pretty. I love this one. It's definitely pretty. I like this shimmer. I'm gonna do the rest of my other eye. So I didn't put this part on camera, sorry guys, but I added a little bit of blue under my eyes from the palette. I used Electric just because I really wanted to try one of the colorful shimmers that they had on here. I think it's, oh, I can't even talk. The shimmer is actually really pretty, and I cannot wait to use all the other shimmer colors that are on this palette because the shimmer ones are actually really pretty. So I actually really like this palette, so I would say worth the money, yes. So I want to go ahead and use this now. I want to use, actually I think I might use all of them except for the brow one because I already did my brows. I'm going to put my foundation on first. Alright, so I'm gonna go in Tahitian Shimmer. Actually, this is not for that. This is for your eyelids, actually. Oh my god. It's actually not this, it's that, so got it. Okay, round two. What the f— this is what it looks like swatched out. This is actually really pretty. I feel like you could use this definitely on your base as like a little pop of shimmer. So I'm gonna go in and do like a little bit of a contour because I just like contouring. I don't know. I just have to contour a little bit. Okay. So now I'm gonna use this blush stick and see what it looks like. It's very like rosy kind of color. Put it on my cheekbone and on the apples of my cheeks. It's a nice color. I'm really not like a blush kind of gal, if I'm being honest. I prefer bronzer, but I do think that blush is really good for if you're not really trying to wear a lot of makeup. It gives your face like some color. So I'm gonna use this highlight stick. I'm not used to using highlighter sticks like this. I use more of like powder, so let's see how this goes. I'm gonna put some on my nose a little bit too. I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. So I'm putting some highlight up here because it's all about the angle. So I'm just gonna put it up here just to kind of see what this highlighter does, what it looks like. It's a pretty color. It's kind of like pearly, like very pearly. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with these. I feel like these are like an easy makeup look. Like you could do this like super easy. You want a little bit of blush, just paint it on and blend it out with your fingers. Like I actually really like this little set here. I just want to see what this bronzer looks like. Okay, I'm pleasantly surprised. I did not think I was gonna like this bronzer, but it's actually really pretty. It's actually surprisingly like on the warm side, which I did not expect at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this look by adding some lashes. These are from Kiss. They're called Gala. Hello. So I used Catching Feelings from Dose of Colors on my lips for a nude color so that my eyes could really be more of the standout. So I'm very pleasantly surprised with the stuff that I got in my box. Final thoughts on Boxycharm. I say, girl, why not? Like, I think it's great for makeup lovers. I think it's also great for people who don't really wear makeup either. I would say, like, I got Boxycharm for 2 reasons. So basically, I got Boxycharm so that I would save some money on makeup because I do spend a lot of money on makeup. And then I also got Boxycharm for you guys so that I could explore different brands and have a variety of makeup brands in my collection, so I can let you guys know like what brands are worth it, what products are worth it, and which ones maybe not so much. Like, you don't have to spend your money on it. I will spend the money, don't worry about it. I hope this helped you guys. If you guys were wondering about this service, Boxycharm, I definitely think it's worth it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Tag me on Instagram if you guys do get a Boxycharm. I would love to see what's in yours. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. I really do like my makeup though. Like, okay, this highlighter is like, I think cream highlighters are my thing now. I am not mad at it. Not mad at it at all. Just so cute or whatever. I love it. Can I get like a code? Can Boxycharm give me like a code?